Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Arrays are essential data structures in Python that allow you to store and manipulate collections of elements. In this tutorial, we will explore common array operations in Python, using the numpy library for more advanced array manipulations. In Python, arrays are often represented using lists or the array module. However, for more powerful array operations, the numpy library is widely used. The numpy library provides a rich set of mathematical operations for arrays. Arrays play a crucial role in Python programming, providing a versatile way to store and manipulate data efficiently. Whether you're working with simple lists or utilizing the power of numpy, mastering array operations is fundamental for various applications. This tutorial covers basic array operations, mathematical operations using numpy, and some essential array functions. Experiment with these concepts to enhance your understanding and proficiency in handling arrays in Python. ChatGPT.